How to fix Snapchat device ban on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device. Here, scroll down and tap on General and then on iPhone Storage and navigate to Snapchat and tap on that and further tap on the offload app option. Offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will clear the cache in the application and fix the bugs in the app. Next, go back to General and then tap on the date and time option and further toggle off the Set Automatically toggle button and then set the time zone to some other location and change the date and time to, and then try to open Snapchat app again and your issue should have been fixed. So this is how you can fix Snapchat device ban on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.